A hearing set for tomorrow to decide who controls California's National Guard, President Trump or Governor Newsom. A federal judge in San Francisco ruled last week that Trump broke protocol by federalizing the National Guard in L.A. without consulting Governor Newsom. But then a federal appeals court put that ruling on hold. Tomorrow, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals will decide who has the control, or at least until the Supreme Court does. For more, let's bring in legal analyst Lou Shapiro. So walk us through these two scenarios. If the court rules in favor of Newsom and Bonta and against Trump, what happens?
Okay, so it can go either way. If the court rules for Trump, then it's the court sending a message to the public and to Newsom that Newsom and local Los Angeles leadership is simply not equipped to protect the residents. And therefore, the president needs to step in and do the job that they're not able to do. If it's the reverse and the court rules for Newsom, then it's the court telling Trump, hey, you're overstepping here. Let the governor do his job and you do your job. There's a separation of the states and the federal government, and please don't infringe on it. So it could go either way, and we'll see what happens.
Practically, don't both sides have an ability to appeal it?
Yes, so regardless of how the court comes out tomorrow, both sides can petition to the Supreme Court to hear this. And it generally will go to the Supreme Court because something of this nature where it deals with presidential authority, it does have the importance to get there and to get there very quickly as well.
So almost certainly tomorrow, it's not like the guard's going to be moving out one way or another, right?
Right, because even if the Ninth Circuit goes with Newsom on this, I think they will still issue a stay of the implementation of the ruling to allow the Supreme Court to make its decision to determine whether or not the Marines and the National Guard should or should not be in California.
So the Ninth Circuit is traditionally seen as a more liberal group, but of the three-judge panel, two of them are appointed by Trump that were drawn for this. What should we read into that?
So I know a lot of it is made on that type of issue, depending on who appointed the judges. Are they more likely going to go in the direction of the president who appointed them? I don't think that's really fair to the justice system. I hope it's not like that. So generally, I think judges will make the right call based on the facts and the law presented before them.
All right. Lou Shapiro with a whole lot of confidence in the system. It's nonpartisanship. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. Really appreciate it.
Sure, Alex.
Still